Cincinnati Museum Center has a lot of trains to see this time of year. I've made a few other videos on this topic, but I think it's time for another look. There's a long history here going all the way back to the 1930s, when the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad teamed up with the Cincinnati Gas and Electric Company to display model trains at Christmas time. For decades, a version of this layout would be assembled every year in order to be displayed in the lobby of the Cincinnati Gas and Electric Company. It would be set up during the holidays only to be dismantled and packed away in January. In 2011, the display found a permanent home at the Cincinnati Museum Center, where it's available for public viewing from November through early January. Sometimes you may see a circus train going round and around. There's also a variety of army sets in rotation, as well as a freight set pulling Christmas trees and wrapped presents. But my favorite by far are the passenger cars. This is one I don't remember ever seeing before, but it's a B&O Cincinnatian, and all of the coaches are named after local neighborhoods and landmarks. There are also other layouts on display with toy trains of various scales and time periods, going all the way back to the late 1800s. I also need to mention this incredible collection of Legos. The large brown building is a copy of Cincinnati's Music Hall, and it's over 2 feet tall and maybe 5 or 6 feet wide. The trains here are similar in scale and size to Lionel O gauge or the Big Duke display downstairs. directly next to this room, kids or adults can visit with Santa Claus to give him their wish list or just to say hi. After a few minutes on Santa's lap, an elf assured me that he should be out of traction by Christmas Eve and that all gifts will be delivered on time. Sorry about that, St. Nick. I'm starting a diet on January 1st. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Merry Christmas.